who we have here. I think we have no one so far. Hello. If you're here, please type in the chat so I know I'm not lonely here. I'm not alone. Hello, Monica. How are you? Hey, Danny. Welcome back. Hello, Amin. How are you guys? Welcome. Hello. Hello. Amazing. We have 7 people. Let's see if we can have a little bit more audience in about, let's start in about 5-10 minutes. Today is going to be a very um full of surprises day because I'm going to try to perform something very cool in the homepage. Hopefully you can do the same with the ordering technology that you have available right now. Okay? Amazing, I mean. This is a very important part of my day also. Okay, let's wait about 10 more minutes. Just a little bit. Okay. If you have any questions, do not forget to type them in the chat. I will be helping you as soon as I can. I think that the audio is sounding good. The image is looking good also. We'll move myself here. Well, not here. Okay. Roger, hello. Welcome. Roger. Advanced website customization, today's lesson. I hope this helps you a lot. Okay. We have done something similar in the past, but I just changed a little few things. I will try to do more this time so I can show you what you can achieve with the ordering software. Also, do you have like another subject that you want me to talk about that I haven't done yet, or just continue like this? Let me know so I can like help you better. We have 10 people so far. We're starting in about 2 minutes, I think. That's okay. Remember that this stream gets uploaded as soon as the streaming is over. So you can see it anytime, any place. Just one more minute. One more minute that we will get started. I think that is enough. Hello, everyone who joined. 4 people say hi. How about the rest? Who are you? Identify yourself. Click, put something in the chat so I know you're here listening. Maybe a thumbs up or something. 15 more seconds and we'll get this started. Okay, let's get this started right now. So, hello everyone who joined. Thank you very much for joining. My name is Mauricio. I'm part of the Mexico team here at Ordering and the VP of Marketing. Um, we are going to talk about the advanced website customization. What I mean by this is that I'm going to try to add a new block in your homepage a new accommodation of the layout of the seconds blocks. Also, we're going to change the background image. We're going to add a new image. And well, let's see how this goes. Maybe add a type form in the footer. Like, what will you need to like create the perfect website for your customers? I'm going to try to achieve that for you, like explaining how. Okay, guys, let's go. First of all, I'm going to open my ordering builder. Okay. Also, do not forget, if you have any questions, submit them, put them in the chat. I'll answer them as soon as I get some time. Also, do not forget to subscribe the channel so you don't miss any class live, so you can answer question me live and I will answer you live. Okay. Now that I have the builder open, let's open the knowledge base. First, I will start by changing a few fonts in my home. Okay, we got some more audience. Say hi or something. Say hi to the rest. Okay, right now let's start by adding a new font just for a few specific texts. Okay, so how to achieve this? First, we will have to check out the fonts that Google Fonts provide to us. Hello, Johan. Welcome back. So, for example, let's see. Let's try something else. Let's look for a font, a new one that we can add. Which one is cool? I think let's try this one. I think we can see embed. Okay, we have this information here. As you can see in the article, it might change just a little bit, but at the end of the day, if it's the same information, okay? So what we have to do is to put the standard link of Google, which is this one. Click here. We have to put this link in the third-party code on head, which is this in my builder. Third-party. Here, let's add it here. Balsamic sans something. Okay. I will just add it. Right here, I just pasted with Command V in my keyboard. So this is a Mac. If you have PC, it's Control B, Control C, Control B. Just copy paste. Basic functionalities everywhere. Okay, and then we will need. Let's go in the tutorial. Now you can. Okay, now you can. You must apply the font in the desired text. And to apply that form, you have to You have to grab this code, which is the CSS. So here is. Now, if we take a look at this video, we will see that we have to download. Let's stay for this example, the homepage content. So we can grab the title, the one that says "We get what you love." Homepage. This is the one. Let me see. Homepage content. This is the one. So I download this one. Oh, so Danny, currently the way the system works is by like this way. To add some font that is not in the integrated already with the software, we require for you to do it yourself by using the all these developers module. You will have to do it yourself just by adding some CSS and calling from someone else the form and so on, a few more things. Or we can do it for you by submitting a quote, and we will help you with that. Currently, it's just Google Fonts is available. The only integration that we have with phones is Google Fonts. Okay, just want to let you know. Danny asked about if we could add something, some other words form font. We can't. Only Google Fonts by now. Okay, I downloaded that already. Yes, I did. So I will open it here, and here we have the code. Oh no, this is the code for the second block. This is the code for this part. Oh, wait, let it load. My internet hasn't been working very well lately. Sorry about this. Okay, okay. This is for this part, but we are not looking at it right now. That is something I was trying before. I will show you how did I make it happen like that. Okay, we will have to download the home page, which is right here in the build, which is this one. Okay, home page, download. Okay, now let's drop this one in Sublime. I use Sublime. You can use whatever you have. Okay, I use this because I'm used to it. So you can do it in whatever code reader you have. Okay, now let's take a look back at the article. It's important to know what's happening in real time. So now the article is telling us that we have to add a style here before the class of the age of the title that we want to change. So if we go here, I will make this bigger so you can see. Here we will have to add a style, then the code that the this, okay. Let me grab it again. I think something close. So I will put this, and then I go back in the article, and then I add this. As you can see, we have something different here. So let's go back in the article that we have here. So it should look like this. The style equals, okay. I will just compare those so we know what's happening. I see that we are missing this here. Oh no, not here. We have to put it here before the class, apparently. Let me see if this works. Phone family, style. I'm missing some. Oh, okay, this is equal. Okay, it goes like this. I compared. Okay, I compared this, and well, I managed to make it look good. So I will save this file. Then I will go back in my home page here, change this, put the file, up, update this. I will not read the version because we will take a little bit longer, but I will clear catch every time so you can do both ways. Okay, I will just build this again. I had a question. Christina Fusi, hello. I think better to work with in CSS style, not to touch the code elsewhere, isn't it? Yes, well, for these few changes that I will do, Christina, it won't matter like a lot, but you can use the CSS that is already in your builder. That's no problem. You can use that to perform the changes that you want to make, to call the classes and everything. You, however you want to manage it. This will just be a few changes, little changes, to give you like a how to, like a quick how to make it happen. I'm not developer, but I know you can make this even cooler. So this one is changed, as you can see. And also, if we want to change this one below, let's go and do some changes in the file that we have right here. So this H3 is the one that is the subtitle of the, well, of the title. And we can add the style once more before class. So here we save the file. We go in our builder, developers, homepage content. I change this, save it again. What was that the one? AXQUT. Okay, yeah, it was one. Okay, I will say I update this. And then I will save. Sorry, and then I will build quickly here. Also, hello Richie. Is it Richie or Rizzy? Let me know. I will show you something regarding the builder in just a few minutes, like it says here. I mean, is it possible to change all website font, not only homepage title? I have tried that before. Turns out it wasn't like very easy. I will check about it. I mean, I'll let you know what is the deal there, how to change it. I think it's in the CSS, but we can take a look after and see if we can change it like easily. Okay, let me clear. Actually, it's changed already. Oh, let me reload this. No, not changed yet. So let me clear the cache. I might close like the full browser incognito windows, but let's try it out. Ricardo, okay. Welcome, welcome. Uh, so it's Richie, I'm guessing. Let's see if this works. As you can see, the image behind this is is heavy. So that is why it's taking a little bit longer to load. I will change it also. I have one compressed and in the right size. Okay, that didn't work. So let me open a new incognito window like this. Now it's fresh. So I think it will work perfectly. Close. Oh, how can I close that one? Okay, so if I go back, Q, quit. Okay, let's see if now this works. Didn't work yet. Let me check the article. Maybe I missed something. Sorry, the file. Okay. It's good these things happen here because I can know what's happening with you guys and I can help you with that. Okay, this is changed already. So this is the file. It is in the class text transparent. Okay. Oh, you know what? I think let me put it also here and here. Okay, I've set the same font for all the, sorry, the same font for all the variables that we have there. Change it, then upload the new one, close this, update, come on. I'm changing the file one more time, okay? Richie, I have some question about delivery app. So to perform customizations in terms of designing the delivery app, you will have to do the same as this, but in your delivery app, which is inside in your builder, if you have it, okay? If you have it enabled, it'll look something like this. And then you go in the developers module and do the changes. Okay, that is to change the layout. If you want to add any new features, you can do it with plugins by reading the API documentation that we have ready for you right here. And well, that is developers work. Or you can let us know what you need. We can quote it for you, let you know how much and how long it'll take, and we can make it happen. Okay. Okay. Let me reload this. Okay, now it's changed. So I was putting it in another place. This. Okay. So as you can see, that is how we change a few texts. Now what I want to do is to change that image in the background. Okay, which is this one. I think is very heavy. So I have a few already here. Which one do we like? Let's try this one. Okay, this is changed already. So I will have to update. Oh, actually, before I forgot. So the buttons that you have here, the options, this says change, download custom, download original, remove. So change is to put the new code, the one that you used created, right? Download custom is to download the one that you used to upload it by changing it, which is the custom file. Download original, we download the original file. And if you click remove, it'll remove the custom files that you uploaded the last time. Okay, it won't remove like the full the home page files here. Okay, no, it will remove the custom work one. Okay, let me go now in build so we can see the new home page, and I think it'll load faster. Also, something that I highly recommend is for you to compress all of your images in all of the website. That way your website will load faster, while the customer experience will improve a lot. And well, basically that's it. I mean, at the end of the day, the customer experience is the thing that keep us working our businesses. Okay, the customers. Okay, I think this is loading. Let's try clearing the cache. I will do it like this, so maybe it works. Okay, this is loading. It's gathering some new information. Okay. Okay. What about the image? Let's see if okay, it is changing right now. I think my internet is bad because the image is not that heavy. I will have to take a look later on. Okay. So, as you can see, we changed the image. This looks very cool. These are some leaves. Okay. We have some questions. Let me answer them. Okay. How to assign automatically an order to a driver? To assign it automatically, you have the delivery automation that is already in a few packages. If you don't have it, you will have to check the prices and what is included in your package, Ricardo. So take a look at those in our pricing. Ordering pricing. Here's the table and everything. It is called auto assignment, Ricardo. Where is it? Auto assignment driver settings. So here is. So take a look. Uh, I'm not a developer. Is it accessible with a tutorial? Well, this is one of the tutorials that we have for those developers, but if you want to create something else, you will have to hire someone. Yeah, or hire us. Christina Fuji, what about update and or customization? What do you mean, Christina? What about those? Richie, okay. I mean, I have all three different apps. Is it possible to change the whole app font? It'll be the same. I'll have to check about it. I think it is an easy change. But I have to think about it. I have to take a look at it. Actually, let's try it out. Let's see if we can download where the phone is like located. Oh, Richie, I'm testing the platform. Yeah, so we have an auto assign feature and you can use it. You can try it out in our demos also. And also we have a video, a lesson about it. Let me look for you. Bring ink here. Videos, automation. It was something about delivery. Okay, this is a lesson that you have to take a look, Ricardo, after this one. We give it a look after this one. Okay. What about updates? Okay, please let me know what you mean, Christina. I will help you out. And I mean, let's see if we can get the font from the CSS. No, this is the one, the second one. The first one is the one where you can put some other things. So this is the CSS, which gives some style like looks on of your to your website, and you can add the new like ways you want to position your blogs and everything in here. This is something more advanced. Goes goes hand by hand with the HTML and JavaScript and everything regarding those kind of changes. If you're a developer, you will know all of this, and you have access to everything. So uh, take a look. I think it's not here, the font. So you will have to add a new one for the full site. Oh, here is actually. As you can see, font face, source URL, fonts, and it's a regular TTF. So this is a TTF and it is hosted. So what you will have to do is to host it and then call it here to change it in the full. You want to try it? Let's try it. Okay. I will use Google Fonts because those are already hosted. But if it doesn't work, Google Fonts, it will have to require something more specific. Okay, Google Fonts. Let's see. We're going to call, which one there was that we will be using? Is this one? Okay, so font family. Uh, let's try this. Better. Font family is going to be this one, I think. About font family. Okay, here's font. Let me see what I get here. Yeah, it's balsamic sands. So balsamic sands. I don't know if this is going to work, guys. I'm trying with you. Okay. The URL source should be this link until here. Let's see if this works. I'm getting nervous. So if let's see if it no need to it's somewhere else. No. Let's see if this works. I don't know. If it does, we are good to go. Change this with the new one. NMM jet. Okay, this is the one. Okay, now update. Build website. Update website staging. Do you think it's going to work? Let's see. Let me answer some questions. So, thank you. You're welcome, Richie. How to have my own customized driver app? To have your own customized driver app, well, you have to purchase the package that includes the app, and then we will have to do some custom work there. So, basically, I would recommend you to submit a quote to us, explaining us all that you need for that driver app that you require. Richie. submit the quote right here, and sales will get in touch with you and let you know what's next. Okay, do you think this worked? Let's see. I'm no developer, guys. I'm a marketer. Okay. Uh, okay, Christina. I mean, if you do an update, it didn't work. Or do you want me to? Let's try closing all incognitos and opening a new one with the fresh cache. Let's see. I don't really know if I embedded right or anything. Oh, this is not the one. Nope, it didn't work. Okay, we have to take a deeper look at it, but this remain the same. Okay, let me log in again. I will look for it, I'm sure. I mean, I will let you know as soon as I have the answer. Okay, here's the website. Okay, now, Christina, I mean, if you don't update the system, the customer machine will be still in, or do I have to put them another time? It will still there if the update is not messing with the code. However, if it messes with the code, just let us know and we will help you to make it match, like to work with the custom that you already made. Okay, so you don't have to like, where are my all my things? So don't worry about it, we will take care of it. Christina, I will remove this to avoid any situations. Okay, Danny, about the background image and images in general, on the help section or the builder, it says the image dimension in pixels, but it doesn't say what resolution should it be. A meaning that has a lot to do with him. PPYP. So the images that we put here are just like, this is the size and this is the format. Um, those 300 PPI and those things, no, you are correct. It doesn't say something like this in the builder, but right now I think it's my internet connection. So YouTube grabs a lot. I have to get a better connection of my internet. Sorry, guys. However, Danny, I'm sure you're right. So if it loads perfectly on your end, I'm happy for it. Also, maybe this is not the best. This demo is not hosted in the best like server. I don't know. There are a few things. Your site will work perfectly. I'm sure about it. I'm sure about it. So yeah, let's jump into the next thing that I have done before. I hope it works this time also. So what I try to do is to add a second block in my home right here, but by changing the image to the left and the text to the right. What I did is that I went here in my homepage content. I downloaded the original file. And here we have like the things that I already done, okay? So what I did is I duplicated this, okay? Uh, oh, like this, and then I changed this information inside the div that is below, inside the section, like the block, and then I changed this information. I don't know if this is becoming logical for you. It was for me and it worked, so I think we are going somewhere. Okay, also you can add custom images in your website where you click here in images in your builder, here in custom. I have one already uploaded, so I will just grab it. If you have want to upload a new one, just click here, then add it. Okay, add it. Once this is added, you can go here and change the image that you want to put. So this is the file that I have the URL that I have for my image. What I have to put here, since this is a custom image, it will be in the file custom and then the URL. Okay? Let me know if we are getting like someplace. If you have any doubts, do not forget to type them in the chat. I will have to answer them. Also, I wanted to change these variables, okay, to say something else. So what I did is that as super admin, I created a few new lang variables. I think that's the way to say it. So I named it, name, what was the name? I have it somewhere here. Let me get it really quickly. Uh, it was description. Where is it? No, no, no. Let me get it. Home block. Block. Okay, here is right block. This is the one that I created for the test. Okay. So as you can see, this is the right block homepage message, which is going to be the one in the right, which goes here. This is the title. I will make it H3 so it can be a little bit smaller. And then this is the variable, the key for the description, which right now it's a P, and we can leave it like that for just for testing. This is going to be the accommodation. Make sure that the image is in a good size, because if it is very big, you will have to create a CSS to put it inside the square, just like the one that we have right now. So now I will upload this one. Uh, this file goes in homepage content, change. This is the one. Yeah, this is the one. Update my website. Then I will build it. I hope this works. Danny, okay. My question was, what is the best resolution of command and so the site count were not fine because it will be. So the sizes are already in the builder. However, what I was talking about is you will have to compress it in order to make it look good. However, let's say for example you have the best quality in the image, but it is small or something like that, it will look bad. So what I would recommend you is to put the just like any PPY that you think is the best, but if it is in the right size and compressed, it'll load faster, it will load good, and it'll look great. So let me know if I answered your question, but I think I did. Okay, let me open this, log out, so I can see the home. Check this out. This is my creation. As you can see, this is just a reflect of the block that is above, and this image looks very bad. So because it's just an image that I just put, okay. But as you can see, you can create something like this. That is not the one. Let me look for it. I have the. I want to show you what you can create. I mean, one of our customers created something amazing that I was like, wait, did you make it? And they say, yeah, just by using our builder and the files and everything. So check out this. I mean, you have to load. My internet is getting bad, bad every time. It will load. No. So, well, this is Greek, but this was made by the customer. They made this. And as you can see, the custom work is incredible here. they had a developer. I'm not developer. I will try to learn more about it, but this is what you can create using these tools, the developers module, where you can find the CSS, the HTML. You can even upload custom images and create it much better than I just did. You can change the fonts, the background, the colors. Let's change the colors just really quickly. This was pink. I don't know who put pink here, but let me change it to green, which is my favorite color. This is the one I like. Okay, build the website. And also, we have a few CSS styles that you can work with already. Let's say like gallery, video gallery. You can put something like that calling this class. I mean, you will have to to get some more developers knowledge. I mean, it requires a few more like work to make this happen. Okay, but you have everything here ready to go. Video gallery, even slideshow. You have swiper here, slide, so you can call the classes and everything. Everything is in the documentation of the get help, get.ording.help. Let me see if I can find it here at the bottom. Oh, this should be loading. Web template. So here you will find a few information. Then also here in the API, no, the API, no. Here, the developer section. I will try to improve. I will make my best to improve that part. But yeah, so imagine you can create something like this with the software that we already have. So I mean, my developer made a new HTML for my index and I uploaded, but it's not working correctly. So about that, I mean, maybe there's just a few lines that you have to add, and we can help you with that because you already made most of the work. So you send us a ticket, and we will help you get it working just like this one. Check it out. It's a very cool template, and they made it by themselves. So let's take a look at another one that we have. There are a few. That is one of the ones that I like the most. Let's see which other one we have here. Got you. It's going huge. This is the one I was talking. Ah, it's not working. Maybe they changed the domain. Okay, got you. This is another one. This is quite simple, but it works. So you can explain your how do I say it, your website in just like this. You add three columns here. You put an image. You put a few texts. Amazing. Yes, here is the one. I mean, this is one of our successful cases. You can take a look. It's amazing. Also, this is a bit more simple, but I mean, it works if you want to sell. Sometimes the simplest things become the more reliable. So take a look. The screen is bigger. It's like it's so big right now. Well, this is an iMac 76 inches. So, but you know, so this is like a little of the way that you can create changes in your homepage. I wanted to explain to you. Also, if you want to change, let's say, the business listing, for example, oh, you know what? I think the color is changed right now. Let's see if we clear cache. It can be green again. I don't know who changed it. I'm not a big fan of pink. Okay, it's loading. I think it's my connection. Yeah, it is green right now. So imagine the possibility, guys. I mean, you can create a lot of things, a lot of. What I was talking about the business listing, for example, if you're a customer and you get in, this listing can be changed with the file developers. It says business page modal, business page product list. This is inside the pages, but business list. Here if we download this, here we have like what is going on, right? I mean, I don't know much, but I know this is the front end code for this part. So let's say if we want to change, what should we change? Uh, let's see. If you know more about coding, you will understand this perfectly. So we have here the star, which is this icon. So we can change it. We can change the icon for another kind of a star. Let's see what we can change. Maybe I don't know. Let's see the business name, name, item, business, show change address. No, business type alcohol is the first part. This placeholder. Well, this is a lot of lines and a lot of things I don't really understand. Business open featured. Okay, these are the featured ones. So header, we have for the header we have the 300, the little bold font. Well, these are a lot of things, guys. You have to take a look, and if you don't know code, hire a developer, please, because you will make a mess on your website if you don't. Just like me, okay? But you can try it out for sure. Business open, you have all the code here. If you want to change, who asked that? Christina Fushi. If you want to change a single one, you have to go in your builder and see the business page. I think it's the RD3, step two. Let me see business page modal. Oh, this is the one actually. Page model, business info. Now these are modals, which are the pop-ups kind of view. Product lists. Business HTML. I think it's this one, Christina. Give it a try. Let me see. Download this. So this is saying it has a star. So which one is this one? Yeah. Name of product. Name of product. Yeah, it's this one, Christina. So here's the business info, categories, uh, categories tab, products. This is the one that you will have to change, Christina. It is called uh, business product list save places, business.html. Okay, give it a try and let me know. Let me know what the deal. Did it work? How are you managing your business? I mean, ask me in private because well, nobody. You have to keep underground. Nobody needs to know it's us in the background. Okay, so you can create something like Uber Eats or something like that. What else do we have here? Etsy, I think it's a very cool one. Let's see. Check this out. As you can see, it's a very similar layout, but it changes just a few things. Check it out. This is a very straightforward design and everything, and it looks very cool, very clean. Just three footers here. To change the footer, you download the footer file and then just okay. Then well, you will see how it works on your end. You will require just a few tweaks in the code, and you will make something like this happen. They have even something here, get the app and the download buttons and everything. You can add already those buttons. Uh, I will try to show you quickly because we are almost done with the stream. But add buttons, download buttons. Here it is. So what we will have to do is to get in the homepage content. Let's say I already have it somewhere here. I will just download it again so I don't download custom. This is the one. Then we are here, and now what the article is telling us is to add the following code. This one, and add the following code. This will put fronts. Okay, I will just add it in the code that we just have here. I will add it here below. So these are the same. Oh, the article is telling us to change everything, but right now I just want to add the buttons, which are this P. I will grab this one and put it in. Okay, understand now. So this goes here. These are the only things that I need for now, and I will put them here. I will remove the file that I just created. This one is gone, and it also says that we have to replace the URLs of the stores. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to grab my iOS, the one of the. Let me get it here. I will grab my iOS account. Let me get a code because it's very secure. Okay, I'm getting it. I'm getting the one for the Ordering Pro. It's a very cool product. Okay. How do you get it? You get it by opening your product, then clicking in the, where is it? Here's the one. When you open your app, it'll say view on App Store. This is the code that you need. Okay. So replace, we will have to replace that part. This is going to be for the App Store here. And I'm going to leave this one just like that. Okay. Save this, then change the homepage content, and let's see what happened. Change the homepage content, load the latest file. I mean, this should take for you about a few days, like to get it like perfect. But I mean, maybe you can take the time before your apps get delivered and the apps are in the stores and everything to perform these kind of changes. Also, if you have a domain already, it'll say you can test everything in the staging website and then jump into the pro one when you do the proper testing, okay, for your design. So let's just build this and we will wrap this lesson up. I don't know if you have any more questions, guys. Please type them in the chat. We are just waiting for this to work. And that's it. We will wrap this up. Also, guys, what do you want me to talk about next lessons tomorrow? What are you having troubles with? How can I help you? Let me know. Let me know. It's very important for me to help you every day with these kind of lessons, live lessons. Okay, let me open it again and let's see what happened. Okay. Well, these are stretched because I made a mess with my code, but you get the point. When I click there, this is my download and everything. Try yourself. I'm sure you will be much better than me. Okay. We have a question for Richie from Richie. The auto order assignment driver is not available on the demo account. Um, I don't remember if it's available, Richie, but I will take a look because the demo is working everywhere around the world. Maybe you are not getting the address properly of the order, and it doesn't get assigned to you as a driver. But let me see. Okay, more driver settings, something like, okay, here we go. Now it's not enabled. You have um, to enable it and try it out. You have to create a store and everything. Also, I think in the video I showed that. So if I didn't, um, give it a try here in the demo. It restarts every 2 3 hours, so be careful. Well, guys, I don't know if you have any more questions. Anything for me? What do you think about the class? I know it's like very tricky, but you can make it happen. I trust you. I trust every one of you. You're very intelligent and you can make this happen for sure. The ordering, yes, Ricardo. Actually, let me show you the link. That is called Ordering Pro. It's a native app. It's amazing. It is included in the enterprise package, and it is only for iOS right now. You tried to download it and it didn't work. Let me try myself. This is the one. It is working for me. Try it again. If it doesn't work for you, send me an email to mauricio@ordering.co. I'll be happy to help you for sure. Guys, I really need your help with subjects, with suggestions, recommendations of the next class, everything. I need it. I need it. I need it so I can help you the best. Okay. Here at this website, you can submit your suggestions. Please submit any idea that you might have. How to what would be the what would the next lesson be about? Please, I need your help. So Ricardo, if that doesn't work, let me know. Christina, thank you very much. Let me know if you make it happen. I think you have more knowledge about CSS and those kind of stuff than me. So I trust you. You will you will make something better than me. I will try to improve that part. So next video I show you a better, well done website. Where are you from, Ricardo Matos? Oh, so well. Those Ricardos are talking in between them. Okay. So, guys, please submit me a quote. Do not forget to subscribe. 65% of the people that view these videos are not subscribed. I'm very sad. Please subscribe so you get informed when these lessons are live, so I can help you the best. That's it for today's lesson. Please be safe. Be at your places, hidden in the basement or somewhere. Just be safe. And see you tomorrow. I will find out something to talk about here. Thank you very much for being here. Have a great day. Bye bye.